Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the phone and the other device. First, make sure your Moto Edge 50 Neo has at least 20% battery and open settings then battery. Once there, enable battery share or wireless power share. This flips the phone into transmitter mode. You should remove any thick or metal cases and place both devices on a flat surface so coils align. This reduces heat and improves efficiency. Once done, you're ready to position the target device for charging. Now you'll position the devices and initiate the transfer. Place the second device's wireless charging coil roughly over the center back of your Moto. You'll often feel a slight magnetic pull when aligned. Once placed, watch your phone's status bar or lock screen for the charging indicator that confirms power transfer. If it doesn't start, lift and realign slowly. Tiny shifts matter. Keep the phone face up and monitor temperature. Charging is slower than wired, so expect longer top. To finish, you'll stop sharing once the other device reaches the needed level or when you see heat rising. Tap the battery share toggle off or separate the devices to end transfer. If charging never started, restart both devices, re-enable battery share, and try again with cases removed. Also check for a system update because firmware fixes coil detection. Make sure to limit continuous reverse charging to short sessions to avoid battery wear and excess heat. This keeps both batteries healthy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.